call your friends up, call your family up, get together and say, hey, let's go to Sock City, get some Bob Ross socks, I'll wear them one night, and have a Bob Ross painting night in our Sock City Bob Ross socks. Would that not be perfect? I know it would. You don't even have to tell me. It just would be perfect. Welcome back to our channel. So today we're going to be doing some Bob Ross paintings. Me and my husband actually painted these. I painted one, he painted one. We're actually following along to a actual Bob Ross painting video on YouTube. And throughout this video, I'm going to be having a couple clips of me and my husband actually painting our painting. It's a little time lapse, so you can just see our paintings come together to our final products. So I'll even link that video in the comments for you guys. I have a couple pairs actually here with me today, and I'll show you. These are the Bob Ross Happy Clouds. They're kind of like a high ankle sock. These are so cute. I just love blue. These ones are a higher sock, but also very cute. These say Happy Little Accidents, or just Happy Little Accidents. When he was painting, just appeared on the canvas, like he wasn't even strokes. The picture was just appearing, you know, it was insane. I wish I had that kind of talent. I definitely do not. So here's my painting. It looks worse up close, but I like it better from a distance for sure. This is my husband's painting. Again, both look better from further away. This is his up close. Don't forget your Sock City socks. Let your socks tell you where you need to go. How do you express yourself with your socks? Like, comment, and subscribe because we want you a part of our Sock City family. Thanks for watching. Bye! And so I'll even link that in the comment.